Today, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple clicks. This is a quick setting change that can make browsing easier on your eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time online or prefer a darker interface. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access all of the browser settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can customize how the browser looks and behaves. On the settings page, look for the Appearance section and click it. Appearance controls visual options for Firefox, including theme-related settings. Inside Appearance, you should see the option for Dark Mode. Click Dark to switch Firefox into the dark theme. As soon as you select it, the browser interface should update, and you'll see Firefox in a darker color scheme. That's it. Dark Mode is now enabled in Mozilla Firefox. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same Appearance menu and choose a different theme option. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.